Our mission is to make real estate investing simple for everybody while creating stronger communities. Our vision as a company is to manage 20,000 units, sell 500 homes while maintaining a 30% profit margin, because we feel that matching families to homes benefits everybody. It benefits our investors, our landlords, our renters, and even our own team members, because it allows us to grow.
If you're looking for a company that offers growth, if you're looking to pursue your dreams in real estate management and not feeling like a number, this is the company you want to be with. Growth, it's an option, but it's all up to you.
The culture is to strive to be better. One thing that we have, not only from the entry-level positions, but also from top seniors, is we're all always striving to be better, to get the best versions of ourselves. So if that's what you're looking to get out of coming into this role, coming into this industry, then here's where you're going to get that to be able to maximize your true potential.
So if you have determination, you have initiative, you are a go-getter, this is the company you want to be with. There is no barriers here. The sky is the limit here. What you want is to go from a real estate agent to a COO of the company. This company will offer those opportunities, but at the same time, like I said, it's up to you.
One of the most fulfilling things that I do here at Flat Fee Landlord is be able to help people accomplish their goals.
We are always looking for people that are willing to go that extra mile and show that they're willing to do the work. We're looking for the things that we can't coach. We'll train you on a lot of things, but you have to have a positive and exciting attitude. And if you don't, you're not gonna automatically get it when you come here. We want you to already have that. To be welcomed in this team, be positive, have a growth mindset, do your research, and most importantly, don't be afraid to have fun.